Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Powerroll, India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiat nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
I'd like to thank all the officers.
Hadin khandai snem bala shushong wai ka office jong executive engineer ka water resources Southwest Khasi Hills District kalayo ya ka ying la jong ya ka ni ka office trekam bapura jong ka water resources belate ka jingnot ka bakot shiklor tam la pli ka alpusan tri ujulio arachar alpusan do menteri ka sarkar jilla uba komingwan omban hakani ka sngi asa khilangru UMLA ka mau kerwat uba renekton lingdo tongkhar UMLA ka ranikor ba Pius Marwen Additional Chief Secretary Jangka Sarkar Jilla Dr. Shakil Ahmed ki officer bar kiwe.
Chief Engineer.
Langit ni peran barok khantam lagi Sarkar ya kebagi dia bantiet ni klau marjan khantam tibaron ka kibari ki catchment areas kibari ki jaka kibala berpernium kalau berkam haduk kata-kata ai kulesi bane ya ka jing trekam ni ka water resource ngidang pli menta ka sngi ka office lese pin perkhat ba ka water resource lese ka jing trekam jokar kadang sedang riang ba bani thu ip ba ngida sku sarong haduk kata-kata ya ka jing long aktif jokar ke department hakane ka dong ka thanjungi hakane ka block jungi hakane ka district jungi hakaba kila pentre ya bon ba ki project ngipli mentai ke office hoi kalong kebade tenre ke department kila trei laslam haswa bandon ke office kila trei kram aidao ya kejing bombiang jo kita ki facilities ya kejing bombon kita ki kamera ki bombiang ban trei henre kila nang trei baki bon ba hikam ya ke ba layok ban khotandar ban pentrei lamba ke department why some of the land out here that we are still having forest as of now we can see very clearly just very near, very close to us, we still have the forest, and it is the only hope to have the water, to have the sources of water through this forest. But we are not sure till when this forest will last, because this forest is not of the government or it's not of the community, but it belongs to the private party. So we really need to acquire, we really need to buy, and we need the support of the government to enable us to acquire, to buy this land, so that we ensure that the water sources will remain in this forest nearby to us, very close to us.
Nakadaw kung laban kia, la slam ban pendet yang ni office. Andai wala kataru, na nagalian ko jama kerpar kamtam dia ki official dan ki staff jong ni ka office. Bakin tray baha, bakin long friendly, but kibreo jong ngene district. Batik ting pin depek don di officer dawan upai ba kata ka cipin i jong ki kata ka mut ki kimdon interest bani rabi upai ba. Nah ngalian ke jonga mamstu ya agar pa dia ki officer ba ki de ban long friendly, but kino kibreo kibawani kendo ki manpan jingira nag manka kiskim be paper but kabaro benong agi ni office na dog tak sni kan agi jing chakri khamba su ya kani ga district ke batmai jangi Siokmen nidan hangne ba arenikton ibelong MLA jopi Kilong kita don bok ba, banyo kum unio breu ubelong dynamic, ubas smart ubas ting, ban mare nagbanta karoy kapar apo kani district Batumai kami. Batum joro iba Pius Marwe, ibelong samla iba Tristom nagbanta ban manra ya karoy kapar, siapo kani katay ni Jopi. Bang ngan ong ipi po kajingalam jo ichim Mr. Badan Buram Jongi Konrad ke Sangma try pilayo nga hagarta ka jong mga along Emily mta la South Sea impat juyo chief minister kum une yang ino jige bagi pai ba kiwan persnyo khamak jo ubalong ubasbat ba take action ro kat bukta na OEP sa sen ki prolog ki bedon hang ne mantan pilai osnyo ya ke jingkren jong I additional chief secretary jong I klem go ni nam laban im ibar ne gru laban jor yang ne subject bayong la donla stio ba akwari ke ne ga forest bedan jang jong I kene ngan lian jongang persnyo ya siam makan mau kapor mengadang red dan lech kino gilum giwa por terang por lior kedon bet ki mentah kiwa doi pun gi banga larangan lo por terang benele chino pun yo nama kata kada pami ini ko klo larangi bakla ga no pi wat kala air min thap klo oksigen ga bangi ring belier se man ga singi ladangi bakla in hak klo kan ira perkhat ha nomor dandala dagi wei arbani raini tang naka dau jong ki klau tap ladangi penek bersa yagi klau tap ki bodon saudong sokun yingan ongepi bahang ne senong ga pia mo perwat mas luar ngasil ke senong ga pengat ba try bodon bone ki klau tap ki bodon surrounding jong ne ska nganum kwa man kren bon kti sajisen na galian ke jonga ngagar pat ya baro ki department ki prepare bodon apok ke district snyo ba ai jing trailer but ka department water resource department klang ba gino ki scheme don ki beta bangi hable conversion ADM bodon hang ne through you nan request ba ong ya IDC jo piru nan gino project na po di RDA ne nang gino scheme pide ban ya le some conversion klang ba kaji buntoy na kaliang fight ba.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.